Welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to have a very large Homelite 550 chainsaw. This one features a 36-inch sprocket nose bar and 404 chain. Skip sequence on the chain. These saws were very popular in the Pacific Northwest for cutting the large timber. We'll take a close-up look at some of the features it had. Kill switch is right here on the left. Choke is on the right over here. Right there. Has a manual override on the oiler as well as an automatic oiler. Wrap handlebars. Two large falling spikes. And you can see way back then Homelite had the side adjust way before other outfits had it. Muffler's in good shape. This came out of a timber cutter's storage shed. Been sitting there for years. I did put some gas in it, fire it up. It starts and runs. It is vintage. You may have to do some tinkering on it. If you're one of these highly collectible 550s, here's a very nice one. It's in good shape. You may have to do some tuning on it.